Hi, today we are going to discuss very important topic regarding how to start export business in UAE. If you want to start your business in UAE regarding export, that time this video is going to very important for you. First of all, here we will discuss. Firstly, we require to maintain proper setup for your company. What the proper setup means? You need to take trade license for your export business. Means you have to mention in trade license you are going to involve in export activity. Further, for your registration means for your trade license, after taking trade license you have to maintain MOA, AOA for the LLC. Then after we have to maintain office lease. Means this is when you are taking your office for rental purpose. That time there is a document is called Ejari. You have to maintain Ejari. There is some other document required like passport, visa copy, other things. Further, in second step, we need to take custom registration. What is this? This is simple. We can say that this is import export license. Without taking this, you cannot export from Dubai to other countries. So here, this is very important to understand. You have to take custom code. For taking custom code, you have to maintain firstly trade license, MOA, and KYC regarding to the authorized person of your company. I hope you got it. In third step, regarding bank account opening, firstly you have to take your trade license. Secondly, you have to take custom code, what is called export import license, and thirdly you have to open your bank account. After getting open your bank account, then you can start your export business. But remember, in UAE there is a two type of taxes there. One is a VAT and second is corporate tax. Regarding VAT, when your turnover is not exceeding 187,580, that time you cannot take the VAT registration, because this is voluntary limit. Mandatory limit is 375,000 AED. If you cross that limit within 30 days, you have to take VAT registration. This is regarding VAT. I brief you. And secondly, we need to understand about the corporate tax. If you are taking registration within 3 months, you have to take corporate tax registration in case of legal person. If you are a natural person, that time you have to check your when your business turnover is exceeding 1 million AD, that time you have to require to take corporate tax registration. I hope you got it, and then you can start your export. In export there is a important document we will discuss here. First is commercial invoice and packing list. Second is certificate of origin. What is certificate of origin? Certificate of origin determine that you have developed your product in Dubai. That time you can get the certificate of origin. Further, you need to you need to give the export declaration. And regarding if you want to take insurance, that time you have to submit insurance certificate. Further, regarding export document, there is a shipping bill, BL and airwell bill. That is important document you have to maintain for future reference also. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any support from my side, please let me know. We will support regarding the trade license and regarding the custom code and export related document. We will support you. Thank you very much.